Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we have another very interesting and challenging question from exponential equations, and we have to solve for real values of x. So let's get it started by writing two most powerful exponent laws. Law number 1, a power b minus c. Anytime we can write a power b divided by a power c. And second property or law, it would be a power b plus c. We can write a power b times a power c. Let's apply to our equation. So I will be writing equation as 7 over 7 power 4x using property 1 plus 7 over 7 power 5x plus 7 over 7 power 6x. Now the term of RHS, we will use property 2. So I can write 1 over 7 times 7 power x plus 1 over 7 times 7 power 5x plus 1 over 7 times 7 power 6x. Now I will multiply this equation by 7. So let us write multiply both sides by 7. So I will be writing our equation as 49 will be common in LHS. So I can write 1 over 7 power 4x plus 1 over 7 power 5x plus 1 over 7 power 6x. And this denominator 7 will be over. So I will write 1 over 7 power x plus 1 over 7 power 5x plus 1 over 7 power 6x. Now I will multiply both sides by 7 power 6x. Let me write once. I will write 1 over 7 power 4x plus 1 over 7 power 5x plus 1 over 7 power 6x. And multiplier was 49. And right hand side it was 1 over 7 power x plus 1 over 7 power 5x plus 1 over 7 power 6x. Now I will multiply both sides by 7 power 6x. So let's multiply directly. So I will write directly 7 power 6x here, 7 power 6x here, 7 power 6x here. Same way in RHS also 7 power 6x here, 7 power 6x here and 7 power 6x here. Now I will apply our properties of division. So I can write 49 in bracket 7 power 6x minus 4x. So 7 power 2x plus 7 power 6x minus 5x. So 7 power x plus 1 equal to 7 power 6x minus 1x, 7 power 5x, 7 power x plus 1. Now I will be writing another property of exponents, a power b whole power c. It is equal to a power bc. It is equal to a power c whole power b. So I will apply here and here. Let's apply. So 49 times 7 power x whole power 2 plus 7 power x plus 1. RHS we can write 7 power x whole power 5. Then we have 7 power x plus 1. Now the turn of substitution. Let us consider 7 power x equal to u. Now I can write our equation as 49 times. Let me write here. 49 times u square plus u plus 1 equal to u power 5 plus u plus 1. Now I will consider our RHS first. See how we can simplify RHS. So I will be writing u power 5 as it is. Then I will subtract u square. So I need to add u square plus u plus 1. Now from these two terms we can take u square common. So in bracket u cube minus 1. Then we have u square plus u plus 1. Now here we can apply aq minus bq formula. So u square in bracket u minus 1, in other bracket u square plus u plus 1, and plus u square plus u plus 1. Let us take u square plus u plus 1 common. So in bracket I will be having u cube minus u square plus 1. This will be our factorization. So 49 times u square plus u plus 1 equal to u square plus u plus 1 times u cube minus u square plus 1. Now I will take all the terms to one side. So I can write u square plus u plus 1 times u cube minus u square plus 1 minus 49 times u square plus u plus 1 equal to 0. Let us take u square plus u plus 1 common out. So in bracket we'll have u cube minus u square plus 1 minus 49 equal to 0. Now I can write u square plus u plus 1. In other bracket it would be u cube minus u square minus 48 equal to 0. Now we have to write here either u square plus u plus 1 will be 0 or u cube minus u square minus 48 will be 0. So I can solve both the equation one by one. Let us solve. So from this quadratic equation, the first one, if I will check only discriminant, so I will write here 1 is square minus 4 times 1 times 1. So this will generate minus 3. Discriminant negative, complex solutions will be there. So we can reject this solution. Now we have to solve this cubic equation. And I will use method of factorization. Let me write here u cube minus u square minus 48 equal to 0. Let's split 48. So I will be writing u cube minus 64 minus u square plus 16. Minus 64 plus 16 is minus 48. Now I can write u cube minus 4 cube. This is u cube minus 64. And here I will take minus common. So in bracket u square minus 16 would be there, which I will write 4 square. Now a cube minus b cube, a square minus b square. A cube minus b cube formula will be u minus 4 in other bracket u square plus 4u plus 16. And here I will be writing u plus 4, u minus 4 equal to 0. Let us take u minus 4 common out. So here I will be writing u square plus 4u plus 16, and then I will be writing minus u minus 4 equal to 0. U minus 4 u square plus 3u plus 12 equal to 0. Conclusion from here is u minus 4 will be 0, u square plus 3u plus 12 equal to 0. Let us solve both the equations one by one. So from first equation u minus 4 equal to 0, we will be having u equal to 4. Now from the quadratic equation u square plus 3u plus 12 equal to 0, we can only check discriminant. So let us check. B square, so 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 12. So this will give us 9 minus 48, and this magnitude or value is minus 39. Discriminant is negative, we will get complex solutions. So I will be writing here rejected. So we have to accept only u equal to 4. Now u equal to 4, u was our substitution. It was 7 power x. U was 7 power x. So I will write 7 power x equal to 4. Now I will take log both sides. So let me write here 7 power x equal to 4. Let us consider log both sides. So I will write here log base 10. Log base 10. So I can take x as a multiplier using property from log. So I will be writing x log 7 equal to log 4. Divide both sides by log 7. We will cancel these two. So our x will come out log 4 by log 7, which I can write log 4 base 7. And approximate value of this log 4 base 7 is 0.712. And this will become our final answer. And this is the end of the video. Thank you friends for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.